After a cracking summer, winter is fast approaching. The island is no exception. You can still experience bad weather. Make sure you and your vehicle are well prepared for the winter. Starting with the coolant, all vehicles are the same. They've got a reservoir here. The water in there will be discoloured because it's got antifreeze in it. Very important to check you've got antifreeze in there to stop the vehicle freezing up. Washer bottle. Indicated nearly on all vehicles exactly the same. It's like a picture of a little windscreen with a fountain on it. Make sure that you've got water in the washer bottle with some additive that's going to stop that freezing as well. Going across to your battery, the most important thing, this will start your vehicle. If this is faulty, your vehicle won't start, it will let you down. Make sure the terminals, which are these here, make sure they're not corroded. You can put grease on them to prevent that. Make sure the battery is secure and in good order. With winter obviously comes things like ice. Remember, defrost your vehicle before you move. Make sure your windscreen is clear. Make sure your side windows are clear. Your mirrors are clear. If it's snowed, clear the vehicle of snow. You cannot drive around with great clods of snow on the roof of your vehicle. Okay, make sure your wipers are going to clear the screen properly. Okay, reduced daylight in the winter. Make sure your lights are working. Check your lights regularly. The condition of your tyres is vitally important during the winter, at any time of the year, but more so during the winter. You need plenty of tread. All the tyres need to be serviceable. Have you got a serviceable spare? Make sure you're prepared. You can help yourself even further if your tyres need replacing. Replace them with either cross-climate tyres or winter tyres. You'll be able to tell that from a symbol on the sidewall, which is a mountain with a snowflake inside it. They can be used all year round, but they're especially good during the winter months. When you're actually driving during the winter, allow extra time for your journey if the weather's bad. Allow extra time in the morning to give you time to scrape your vehicle. Keep your driving smooth, no excessive braking, no excessive steering. Plan ahead so that you're not getting yourself involved in things like that. Make sure your windscreen's clear from the inside, demisted. Make sure everything inside is clear to you. Remember, water is also a big issue. Never drive into water if you're unsure of the depth of it. You can do an awful lot of damage to an engine by driving into deep water. Make sure you've got enough fuel for your journey as well. Keep at least a quarter of a tank in the vehicle. And also your mobile phone could be vitally important. Consider installing What 3 Words as an app. Absolutely fantastic bit of kit. As far as your phone's concerned, make sure it's fully charged. Get your charger with you. Think about taking an extra battery pack. Allow extra space to the vehicle in front. Remember your 2-second gap. 2 seconds in the dry. That doubles in the wet. And it is 10 times further in snow and ice. Dress appropriate for the weather, take something warm, take extra clothing if necessary, and let people know where you're going. Let them know what journey you're taking. If you're really serious about stuff, get hold of one of these, which is an emergency winter pack. So here's the kit open, lovely snuggly blanket, emergency drinking water, army style rations, ice scraper, a safety light stick, emergency blanket, of which there are more in the front here, de-icer, ingenious little folding shovel, wind up torch, little first aid kit, high vis, and hand warmers. All good stuff that may come in useful should you get stranded. Of course, all this advice is very relevant, but if you don't need to go out and you're concerned, don't go out, don't make that journey. And if you're not confident driving in those conditions, don't drive in them.